Hi, welcome to the demonstration of the SmartEDGE resources dashboard. Every company needs to have a CRM, a customer relationship management database. Most of you have that. In addition, there are some other tools that we need. One is a technical training for staff members in terms of whatever sport or art you have, whether it's gymnastics or swimming, cheerleading, trampoline, dance, special needs, whatever other items and sports and arts you have. Leap Learning does that as well. Third Level Consulting does other activities as well, but produces the SmartEDGE resources dashboard. You need a risk management software. Risk Assure Solutions is included with your third level membership. And personal development is nice, that's transformations. But we need a number of different technologies. And this particular technology is for business development. You'll notice that there are some menu items here up in the top left, since this is customized to you with your logo and your name. There's a learning plan, a resource library, your team, a community, courses and apps for a learning management system, announcements, and much more. You'll find the same thing in the nav bar here, again, under learning, management, and even authoring using this learning management system. What can you do with this? Well, for one, this is just an introductory video. You can watch any updates or quick start videos on the entire system right here. You can access your personal learning plan, which is a catalog of courses that Third Level Consulting provides and continues to provide and improve as we gather best practices from around the globe. Skipping down, there's Search the Resource Library here, which is 1,200 document templates and growing and improving all the time that back up the courses in your personal learning plan as well as the interface with the Success Steps system. The Success Steps system, if I open this in a new link, basically describes the entire system. Management, marketing, people, technology, finance, facility, risk, and inspiration. We know that we need all of these areas as owners, as key managers, as office managers. How do we define the universe of marketing, for example? Well, in this particular case, it's a marketing team, marketing area demographics that you're operating in, your branding, the customer experience design, your online presence and social communications, your public relations and community involvement, and eventually marketing plans. And when you're ready for that, then you click the Market Align system, and that takes you to those templates and apps that allow you to generate your marketing plan. If you went back up and clicked into People Smart, for example, those 8 steps go from HR team to your org chart, to your sourcing, assessing, hiring, your training with the position descriptions and evaluations, education, pay systems, communication, and exits. And when you're ready for the Hire Smart system and learning how to hire people correctly and having sufficient staff come in, that's great. You do that, and then you're also looking for the employee lifecycle plan, your junior coach or staff plans. This takes you to apps that you're able to customize your entire HR system and track your people all the way through. So same thing with technology. We can do a technology tools analysis for you. You can look at all the key elements and videos and everything else that allows you to get your tech systems together. Same thing with finance. What are the secrets to profitability? Well, here's 8 steps, 8 videos, and key resources to let you do that. Financial analysis app allows you to put your financial statements in and to see exactly how you're doing. In facility and caring for facilities, these are the 8 steps here. We also help with expansion planning and other equipment providers here. Under Risk Smart, the same thing as under Facility Smart, there's 8 key steps in risk, your great risk systems to help protect everything you've built up. The Risk Assure Solutions, where you monitor your equipment, checking and maintenance, all of your accidents, all your incidents, your interior and exterior facility audits, etc. Same thing with inspiration. Anyway, those 8 areas are the linchpin of this entire system. And so when you go into your personal learning plan, for example, and again, you can get to that in any number of different ways, what you're going to find is that you and everybody else in your team has personal learning plans where your coursework, you can look at your complete courses, incomplete courses, etc. Your coursework and catalog is dependent upon your access level. You as an owner or an owner administrator would have access to everything. But if you wanted courses in in marketing. You can simply click in that, and customer service culture courses, team marketing teams and customer experience trends, the master course in marketing is there. You could go into finance, critical financial numbers, etc. You could go into marketing, and a number of marketing courses are there. Same thing with people, communications, personal organization, and the master course in this as well. All these courses are continually growing with this. There is a resource library that backs this up as well. In the resource library, you're going to find the same 8 areas under these tags: management, marketing, people, etc. If you were looking for finance and you thought, I really just want to see some payment and pricing and payment documents, you could type that in there, or you could simply go to the search feature and type in pricing. What do you have on that? And all these documents pop up. You can click them, preview them, download them, put your logo on them, and make them yours. Or maybe you were thinking about branding, for example. A lot of information on branding. What if I wanted something more specific? What if I wanted a branding template? Yep, sure enough, you can have that. You can take a look at it and go from there. So the resource library, again, backs up all the courses. It backs up all the infographic that's on there as well, this whole success systems interface. You can also manage your team members. And this is probably one of the most amazing features in this. Going through and managing your team means that when you add team members, in this particular case, this power demo company, again, this would be branded with your logo, your name, your picture, all of that. This particular company has 15 spots right now, and this is completely scalable. They've got 12 of them filled up with various people that they've assigned courses to over time. You can also assign courses in mass, remove courses, assign goals, disconnect members, whatever you'd like to do with this. When you set somebody up for a course, you have a due date, or you have a meeting or a recurring meeting or an evaluation meeting, something like that, all of your people are there and logged in, and it's also shown on a calendar of events. All the key performance indicators for your people are here and logged and tracked, as well as new applicants that come into the system. Again, we're going to be reviewing every single one of these features with more in-depth videos. You'll be able to watch these updates and quick start videos right here. So you're simply walked through the entire process of how to use this very, very powerful tool of your personal learning planning courses, managing your team members, monitoring your key performance indicators and those of your people, searching the resource library, interfacing with the Success Steps system. You can create your own custom templates, or you can use ours if you like. When you go into that section, what you'll end up seeing is that you may want to create a course here. If you try to create a course, it's going to have you have the name of a course. It'll walk you right through what you need to do, the label, the description, the course objectives, etc., etc. And then you can label it under company courses, and it appears just in your company. So you can use those, or we have several templates for things that are important. Some of the things that are important, especially with people, the Hire Smart system, the youth training system, the employee lifecycle system, which allows you to track somebody through the entire lifespan that they have with your company, the custom KPI dashboards, and soon to come in here will be the financial analysis, marketing plans, the technology analysis, and much more. So I hope you can see from here that you have quite a variety of features that you can access either here, or you can access from the navigation bar, or you can access from here. All of this is changeable. This carousel right here is completely customizable for you and what shows. If you watch this for a second, you'll see it rotate, but you can customize this for your own company and have a rotating banner if you like that's here. But it's kind of website based and website appearing, and that's good. But it also appears that you did this because your name and logo will be on it. Also, we call these quick start tabs down the middle here, and those are going to be those will be customizable by you as well. If you don't like ours and you want to rephrase things a bit, you'll be able to do that. We have a standard set here. This calendar right here is telling you all any things that are today's tasks are overdue if you want. And over here on the right is the latest, the different areas that are here. If you click onto Finance Smart, read more, you'll see we just did a presentation on building revenue drivers. You can download that attachment there. And so like we started out, down at the bottom footer, you can get more information on these. Third level consulting, you can get a free consultation, free demo, etc. Risk Assured Solutions, again, is something that's included with membership. Leap Learning is something we've developed now. It's a separate subscription, but it's all your curriculums, teacher training, lesson planning, skill progressions, and you can certify your instructors based on those internal curriculums in those various sports, and the Transformation Institute for Personal Development. Thank you for joining us today. I appreciate that. We'll see you soon, and I look forward to working with you personally.